Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, UN Technology, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button to get notification to my new videos. Today we will going to answer frequently asked question, what are the best antivirus software 2019? So jump to our list. Number 5. Kaspersky Antivirus. Developed by Kaspersky Lab, primarily targets Windows and Mac operating systems. Although a version for Linux is available but for business purposes only. It comes with an array of product that depends on your ideal usage, from security, performance, simplicity, even your mobile phones. Kaspersky can secure it. Privacy, money, password protection, and file protection. Number 4. Norton Antivirus Basic. Developed by Symantec Corporation. The plans depends on how many devices you want to secure. It guaranteed protection from malware, spyware, and other antivirus function. It includes 25 GB cloud storage when you avail the premium version. Number 3. Webroot Secure Anywhere Antivirus. Webroot is the fastest antivirus software when it comes to computer scan. It offers special function like Wi-Fi security, identity theft protection, and webcam protection. Number 2. ESET Nod 32 Antivirus. ESET Nod 32 Antivirus is the most effective protection you can find to combat today's huge volumes of internet and email threats. Play, work, and browse the internet without slowdowns. No system updates or annoying pop-ups while you play games or run a program in full screen mode. Number 1. Bitdefender Antivirus. Bitdefender's security software has had the best malware detection rate in the industry for the past 5 years. It offers security among any platform. It has a multi-layer ransomware protection and has a 500 million users worldwide. Before the video ended, I have some tips for you. If you run Windows-based operating system, it has an embedded antivirus program called Windows Defender. It actually functions well and you may save money and time for buying any antivirus program.